my channel. Oh my gosh, it's been a hot minute since I've recorded, but I am back. So for those of y'all who do not know me, hi, my name is Joany. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications. That way you guys are notified every time that I post. For today's video, I am gonna do a Shein unboxing plus try on. So I do have another clothing haul. If you guys haven't already checked that out, I'll go ahead and leave the link somewhere up here or in the description also as well. So go ahead and check that out. Let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, so I did untape it and it's pretty heavy. So I do have this big old box of my stuff, but I'm gonna go ahead and just put it down here rather. That way I'm not like struggling. But let's just go ahead into going into the first items. So I do have everything still in the packages, like I said, because I'm just unboxing this to you guys as you guys are seeing it. So I did order this white long sleeve. So let me go ahead and open this. I did order a size medium just because in the pictures it looked small. So I think I'll make it work because of the sleeves. So it looks a little wrinkled, obviously, because it came into the package. But I got a long sleeve. I did order this one. That way I can pair it up with some pants that I've ordered. They're also going to be in this order. And jean jacket, denim jacket as well to pair it up with. And some boots. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how that looks all together. Okay, next. I do have the denim jacket that I told you all that I wanted to wear with the pants. The brown pants. And the white long sleeve. So I did order it in a size medium because this denim jacket, it is a like oversized type of jacket. So I ordered it in a size medium that I can get that overall like the oversized fit. So yeah, so I did order a size medium. It looks so cute. From the back it looks like this. And then what I like about this one is that on the sleeves it has like this distressed, is that the way you say it? I don't know, but it's kind of like a little ripped material here and it looks really, really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the way it looks all together. Okay, so for the next one, I believe these are the pants that I told you guys that I was gonna wear with the white one. So I did order them in a size small. They are a high waist, so I'm hoping that they do fit, especially because leather can be can range in different sizes, and especially from the brand as well. So let me go ahead and open this up. So it does come with a little like waist band type of thing as like the belts. And then let me go ahead and show you the pants. They are very cute for the winter, but honestly, like if it just gets fresh or whatever, or just even for like a certain event, I'll wear them. So they look like this. They do look pretty big and the color looks a little off on camera as I'm looking at it right now, but in person they do look really pretty. It's a really nice color. So the belt will hug your waist like this and it will look really, really nice. So I'll go ahead and try this one on with the white shirt and then the boots that I plan to wear it with that I've also ordered, and the denim jacket like I said when I showed you all the white t-shirt. And yeah, so I'll go ahead and be right back. Okay guys, so this is the outfit and I really love how it looks and glad that it turned out like how I imagined it, how to wear it. So on the top, just that it did fit a little bit tight around my breast area because I am a C cup, and that's because I did order this one in a size medium. But the pants fit really nice and they're a size small and they're high waist. The boots, I'm not so sure what size I got, but this is the way that they look. And then the denim jacket, so I really like the way it looks actually without the denim jacket. It looks super nice with the nice cross body. It will look really, really cute. And then you can just like probably just overwear this on top like this. But let me show you guys the way that it looks with it on. Okay, so this is the way it looks with the denim jacket on. So I still like it, but I kind of feel like it throws it off just a little bit, but I'd still wear it like this honestly because it is just an oversized and it just looks so comfy and so very, very cute. I think it's just because like of the material of the pants, and then it's just like denim, but I will still wear it, probably just like a shoulder off like this for a really nice picture. But I really like it. Okay, so for the next one I do have, I believe this is the, oh my god, the long tees. So I recently have been loving, or I've actually always loved big tees, and then that way like you could wear them with just a cute sneakers and go out like that, and it's mostly comfortable just to be in a big t-shirt. So I ordered this one and I ordered it in a size small, but I'm thinking I should have ordered an extra small just because they are oversized. So I did get it in a nude beige-ish color, like a tan. So I did order a size small and it says Angel on the front. So I am planning to wear these with probably like some Air Force and long socks, like up to the ankle. I really love the color, so I'll go ahead and show you guys the way this one looks on. Okay, also this is the next one, the t-shirt, but for this one it is a little too big. I know it's oversized, but I would personally order this one in an extra small, and I did order a small, so it is huge, but I still love the style of it. I would still wear it with, you know, my low shoes and everything, or you could also pair them up with your accessories. So you could pair them up with like these black shades right here, and you would still look bomb, and it would bring like the whole fit together. But yeah, guys, it would bring the whole outfit together, and yeah, but I still love it. I love how it looks. I do put everything in the washer, so maybe it will shrink, and yeah, so I really love it. It's really comfy, so can't wait to use this one. Okay, y'all, so for the next one, I'm not so sure what, oh, I think I know what this is. I did order another like oversized tee, but on this one it has like a corset type of thing, and it hugs like your underbreast right here, and then it looks super cute. So I did order it in a size small, and I got it in the color black. So I'm hoping, I am a C cup, so I'm hoping that this does fit. So this is the corset that comes with it, and now that I'm looking at it, I think it will fit because it is like a stretch material. So this one, you will put it over your dress, obviously, or your t-shirt dress, and it would hug your breast like this. So that's the way that it would look. And then the t-shirt dress that I got is just a plain black one. It says Drama Queen, Dancing Queen. So it looks like this. And then I did order it in the size small, I said, because they are oversized. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the way that one looks. Okay, y'all, so this is the way that the t-shirt dress, obviously I need to iron it, but I'm just trying this on quick for you guys. So this is a size small, so I would love to pair them up with my little Air Force Nikes. And this is a size small, so I think I do like how it fits. Just one thing that I would say about this one is probably size down, because this thing, like the corset type of thing, does fit me loose. So as you can see, I am pretty much super big on that, and that's because I ordered a size small. But this is the way that it looks, but I still love it. I'm still going to wear it with this. I feel like it gives the whole outfit the look. And yeah, that's the way it looks from the back. Still really nice, really cute, just to step out really quick. And yeah, so on to the next one. So for the next one, I do have oh my god, I was so excited about these. So I've noticed that I don't have like any halter tops. I think that's what it's called. So I ordered 2 of them. I did order in a size medium just because they were like super cropped, but I'm hoping that they do fit, because if not, I could have ordered a size small. But this is it. Ooh, yeah, I think this is too big. No, I was excited about these the most. But what I like about it is that it's an open back, so it looks really nice. And I did order this one, the same one, in a purple color, but I'll go ahead and try it on for you guys right now and show you the way that this one looks. Okay guys, so this is the top. So I did order a size medium, and it does fit me big. As you guys can see from this part right here, it is pretty loose, so I would actually like to be like very fitted, and you see how the difference that makes. Like, it looks really nice. So on this one, I wish I could have ordered a size smaller, and yeah, but if anything, I'll go ahead and just put it in my jar and then just hope for the best that it shrinks. But yeah, this is the way that this one looks on. I really love it. I love the color though. Looks really nice. And yeah, so then on to the next one. Okay, y'all, so this is the same one that I got, but in a purple. I've noticed that I don't have anything purple in my closet at the moment. So like I said, I did order it in a size medium as well, but this one's the purple color. I love it. Like on camera, you can't really see much of the color. It's more like a pastel, I don't know how you say it, girl, but I'm really bad at pronouncing things. But it's like purple-ish pastel color, let's just go with that. And the same thing, open back, really nice. Okay, so this is the way that the purple one, pastel color, looks. So I like how also it looks with it opened instead of all the way buttoned up, but I actually like the way it looks opened better. It just brings out the shirt even more. Maybe just like button like the first 2 and then that's it. But it looks really nice. I really wish I ordered again the small one, because it does fit big, but either way it's still very cute. So this is the way that this one looks. But yeah, this is the purple one. Okay, so next I'm excited, very excited for this one, because if you guys know me and seen my previous Zara haul video, you guys know I love low shoulder tops and cropped. So I am very excited for this one. I did get it in the color pink. I ordered it in a size medium, but I hope it fits because I'm very excited for this one. It is like a pretty suede satin pink color. That shit's so pretty. So I did get it in my favorite color because it's pink. I'll go ahead and show you guys the way this one looks right now. Okay guys, so this is the way that this one looks. I am so happy with it. I am glad the size medium fit, but I really love it a lot. This is like a up the shoulder shirt like this, but that's the way it already has it, like in the picture, like the original picture. But I would personally like to wear it down like this. It just looks more opened and more nice, you know, just looks better this way for me. This is the way I would wear it, but I'm so happy that it fits. I forgot to button it up from the sleeves. This has to be my #1 favorite out of everything that I ordered, so I really like it a lot. And yeah, I'm really happy about this one. So for the next one, I believe this is a dress. I ordered this in a size small, so let's go ahead and check this one out. I know they had this one in 2 colors. They had it in the black and orangey one, and then they have a black and red. But I ordered a size small just because the material does look like it does stretch. And it is very cute for like the spring. I really love the pattern. And what I love about this one the most that gave it like away from me was the open back. Like just look at how cute that is. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the way that this one looks on. Okay y'all, so this is the dress. I love it so much. I would have probably sized down even more. So I did order a small, but I would love for the fit to be an extra small just because I do feel it big from here because of the material and how the dress, the style of it is, that it's just like loose. But the shortness is okay. I love it. I really love how it's like a high neck. It really brings the attention to the dress. You could always wear your hair up with it and it will still look really nice. And then this is how the back looks. So obviously do not wear it with a bra like this, but this is just the way that I have it. A backless bra will look really nice with it. But yeah, I love the dress guys. I'm so happy with it. I'm gonna go ahead and order the red one. Like I said, it did come in 2 colors, so I love it. I'll go ahead and order the extra small on that one. Okay y'all, so for the next one, I am very excited. I think I've said that for like all of them, but I don't know if y'all have seen like from Shein, there are these glasses that are trending. So they are a frameless squared type of frame, and they have them in different colors. So I went ahead and bought like 6 of them, so I'm very excited to open them. So let's go ahead and start with the first one. I have no idea what color this is, but I really like how they come in their own little case because I was kind of afraid that they were just going to like be thrown in the box and obviously they would break. But yeah, so let's go ahead and open this one up. So as soon as I open it, ooh, I love that they even come even more protected in another case, in another like Ziploc type of thing. And ooh, oh my god, y'all, I think this is like the shade. I'm not even sure what shade this is, but this is the way that they look. Super cute, y'all. Like I can't wait to wear these with like bomb outfits. Like whoa, I'm like so obsessed with these, so that's why I got a lot of colors. And yeah, so this is the first one. Okay, so on to the next shade. I'm not sure what color this is. So again, it does come in its own little packaging. And ooh, okay, this one came even better. It comes with its own little like cloth to clean them. So okay, these are the black ones. So it is a black and gold, like you can see on the frame right here. Not the frame, like the sides. And this is the way that they look. Y'all, oh my god, like I'm obsessed. Y'all, look at this. Y'all can see my little setup through the reflection, but imagine showing up like this. Girl, you guys better get yourself your hands on these because they look so pretty. I like them. Okay guys, so for the next shade, let's see what shade this one is. Okay, so I think this one is like a rainbow-ish color. Yeah, this color, oh my god, look at it. It's like cotton candy. I'm not even sure if you guys are going to be able to see the full color on it. So this is the way that it looks. I wish y'all could see them better in person. It's because you can see my reflection from my setup, but I wish y'all could see them in person. They're like super nice. It's like a really nice color. Oh my god, let me go ahead and try these on for you guys here. Imagine these in the sun. Girl, 10 out of 10. I love these. Okay, so moving on into the next one. So let's go ahead and open this one up. Oh, okay, I didn't see that the sides on this one would be like a leopard print. I normally don't like print, but let's just see the way these look. Oh, okay, these are nice. I love them. They're really cute. I love every single one of them. I can't wait to wear them. So I can't wait to take bomb ass pics. I'm like trying to show them to you guys, but without the reflection showing, because it kind of like bothers me on that it's on the lens. So let me go ahead and just show you guys like this. But these are super nice as well. Let me go ahead and try these on. Ooh, still very cute. Let me try not to look into the camera because of the lens again, like I said. But this looks really, really nice. Okay, so last but not least on the glasses. So this one did come in again sealed. So let's go ahead and open this one up and see what shade this is, because I really don't remember. Oh my gosh. Oh, I remember what color this is. It's more like a goldish brown color, but it looks really, really nice. Yes, I love that this one didn't have the leopard cheetah print. Yes, girl. Yo, these have to be my favorite. I'm trying to show you again without the reflection of my ring light showing on the lenses. Yes, I feel like this gives me like throwback vibes. I think these have to be my favorite one. These, and then the second would be like the cotton candy colors, and then like the red. All of them are really, really nice, so I really love them. Y'all. Okay, y'all, so moving on. We're almost done. We have the shoes that I've ordered. So I ordered 3 pairs of shoes. So let me go ahead and get the first one. So I bought 2 pairs of heels and then some black boots to wear with that outfit that I told you guys. So, oh my god, I can't wait for these because these I've been so excited for. So I can't wait to wear them. So these are some nude heels. They're so pretty. They're like a fox fur clear heel. They're super nice. So it looks like this. Okay guys, so these are the way that the nude ones look. Again guys, I'm so sorry about my feet. I need to go get a pedicure, I know. But this is the way that these look. I really, really love them. Look how the clear heel part looks. But yeah guys, they're very, very nice. I really like them. Super cute. Okay, so the next one are another pair of heels, and I believe these are the same thing. It's like I ordered them with fur but in another color. So instead of getting them like a nude clear, I did get these in white. And oh my god, y'all, so they look like this. Oh my god, they're super pretty. So they do have like a little thin clear heel. It's like a see-through, and then they are like a pointed toe. So that's the way they look right there, and they have like the little fur right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the way these look on, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the way the heels look. The fur looks really nice with like distressed jeans, look really cute. That's the side view. They look super cute, y'all. I really love these. I'm really happy about them. Overall, I love them. And yeah, can't wait to wear these, y'all. Yay! Okay, so for the next one, it is the last item that I have. So these are the black boots that I showed you guys in the other previous outfit that I told you guys I would do it together with the pants, the denim, and the white one. So I've already showed you guys. So these are, ooh, super pretty. Oh, okay, they look a lot higher than what I expected. So they are a pointed toe right here, as you can see, and they do go up, so it is above your ankle. I didn't think that they were gonna be that high, or maybe it's just the size. And yeah guys, so these are the black boots. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this Shein unboxing plus try on with me, and go ahead and comment down below what your favorite item or outfit was. And yeah guys, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you aren't already. Go ahead and turn on your post notifications, that way you guys are notified every time that I upload. And yeah guys, so also I am new to TikTok. I just made it, so go ahead and follow me. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it right here. And yeah guys, I know I'm late to the game. Go ahead and follow me on there, and as well as on my other social media, so I'll go ahead and leave it down right here. And yeah guys, so go ahead and also comment down below what other video you guys would love for me to film. I'll go ahead and get that up for you guys. And yeah, so I'll go ahead and see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.